This is a new backup camera. It's wireless. This is your new backup camera. Monitor, camera. Wherever you aim this on the, you put this on with a giant industrial magnet, or you can screw it on. It's wireless. It's got the antenna, the solar panel, never needs charging. The camera's always charged. And this goes on your dash. Everything you're driving down the road, you stick it on the back of your mobile homes, your 18-wheelers, your dump trucks, your cars, your vans, your pickup trucks with caps on them, and there it is. That's what you're going to see when you're driving down the road. Okay, guys? Every time you drive down the road, you're going to have this new rear view mirror. Look, I think you get it. I don't have to explain it to the people that know what I'm talking about. Click the link in the video, guys. Get yours today. This is going to change your life.